We have to understand about the concept of radius of curvature in projectile motion. Suppose that from the ground, a particle is thrown with initial velocity u at an angle theta with the horizontal. Then that particle will follow a parabolic path and it will land on the ground. We know that this is a projectile motion and the path is parabolic. Now, the initial velocity can be resolved into components u cos theta and u sin theta. Now the question is that at the highest point here, what is the radius of curvature of this parabolic path? Now to understand the radius of curvature, what we do that we take a small piece of arc of the parabola at the highest point, very small. This length could be as small as 1/100th of a millimeter. Now, though this small piece of arc is parabolic in shape, but it is so small that we can imagine that there may be a circle of certain radius r whose curvature exactly fits on this small piece of curvature of the parabola. Therefore, whatever the radius of this circle, this r, will be the radius of curvature of the small piece of the arc of the parabola. Now, we take this concept of circular motion. You know that when a particle is moving in a circular path, then its velocity is tangential to the circular path and its acceleration, which is called centripetal acceleration toward the center of circle, is equal to v square by r, and it is perpendicular to the velocity. Similar thing happens in projectile also. At the highest point, the particle's velocity is u cos theta, which is similar to this velocity v shown here in the circle. And at the highest point here, what is the acceleration of the projectile? It is g. You know that every particle that moves under gravity, its acceleration is always in the vertically downward direction, that is g. Now we see clearly that in this figure, this g is pointed toward the center of this circle. Can we say that this g is also same as the centripetal acceleration? Now, in this circle, we know that acceleration a can be written as v square by r. So same concept can be applied to this circle, which is representing the radius of curvature of the parabola at highest point. So in place of acceleration a, we are putting g. Why? Because acceleration a toward the center of circle, here g is toward the center of circle. So by analogy, we can say a can be written as g. So a is written as g. Then look at the velocity. The velocity u cos theta, which is analogous to the velocity v here in this circle. So therefore v is replaced with u cos theta. And the radius r of this circle is same as the radius r of this circle. We put it r here. Therefore, by rearrangement, we say that the radius of curvature of this circle is u cos theta whole square by g.